Okay, hi Zachary. I just thought I would shoot you a little video and send it your way, hopefully helping you answer your question. So what I'm hearing you say in your email is that you realized that you were going through the lessons and the quizzes, and then you got to graded assignment 1.04, the writing workshop, and you skipped over it and you kept moving on because you had a good pace going. So now it's time to go back. So anytime you're going back to a graded assignment, the first step is to obviously click on the graded assignment. Let it take you to the directions. You're going to click on the directions for this activity. It's asking you to write an informal letter, which is what you shared with me, so you're already aware of that. So you also should click on the assignment because it's going to give you a little bit more about the directions. It'll send it to the bottom of your screen. You click on it. Once it's sent, open it up and kind of see if you can get a little more information about what it is you're supposed to do. So this assignment, you're going to write from the perspective of the young woman in Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata, and you're trying to find that. I understand that you're trying to find that text, so I'm going to show you that here in a minute. So you're going to write a letter describing how Beethoven's visit affected her, and then this tells you everything it should include. So this is what I'm grading on, so make sure that when you're writing it you look back at this document so that you can get the grade that you want. I'm going to go back in the course. So anytime you're trying to find more information about an assignment, it's always good to go back to the lessons that were before the assignment. So I'm going to go back into Unit 1, scroll down. So here's my assignment. So maybe there's information, or maybe the text is in this lesson. So if I click on that and I go through, I see this one's only 13 slides. And I'm going to skim and scan. That means you're going through quickly. You're not rereading it. I don't need to know about adverb phrases right now. I don't need to know about that slide right now. I'm going to skip through because I am looking for the text. Okay, that might be helpful later, but I'm still just looking for the text. I'm looking for the text in blue so that I can click on it because it's a link, and I'm not seeing it. So, if I'm not seeing it, that lets me know I need to go back even further to the lesson before this one. So I'm going to X out of here. It's not in 1.04, so maybe it's in 1.03. I'm going to click on 1.03. This looks like I'm on the right track here because it always tells about the author before it gives me the reading. So as you scroll through the slides, and I recommend that maybe you reread some of them and revisit them since you skipped over it, you'll see here is the highlighted text that will take you directly to the anthology where you can read. You go to the table of contents. If you don't know where to find the lesson, let's see, this whole unit is called Influential People. So let me see if I can click just on Influential People over here if I wanted and scroll through, or I could go to the table of contents and click through until I got to Influential People right here. And then I have Beethoven's Moonlight Sonata right there, and I'm ready to read. So that's one way, going back through the lessons. Another way to always get back to your anthology, if you don't want to go through the lessons, is to go to your Student Resources link. Once you click on Student Resources, you can click on Links. You can click on Influential People. And this opens up your anthology immediately. That's where all your reading is anyway. So if you're looking for a text, you can always just use those student resources, go back and see if you can find it that way. And then again, we have it right there. However, it is going to be important that you take some time after you read this story to go back through the remainder of these slides and make sure there's not any other important information that's going to help you with your letter. I hope that this video has been helpful to you. Watch it, let me know if you have any questions, and then reach out again if you need help with anything else.